thing I think it needs to be said is you're now faced with something that really offers people enormous opportunity. You're talking a 10 for 1. I think the space over the whole space over the next 12 years is probably 100x, right? That's a whole asset class. We've never seen that in history in that space of time. But humans are humans. We go back to that fundamental flaw is we love leverage.
Tell people what leverage is for the few
Leverage
people
is
that
when you
don't
borrow
understand.
money to buy something. So let's say you had borrowed to buy the original Bitcoin purchases, and let's say you put down half of the money. So basically at 27,000 or 26,000, you've lost all your money. Now, Bitcoin hit that. You'd have been wiped out. And you'd have had to pay somebody and you'll have been liquidated. And then Bitcoin goes back up in price and you'll have missed it all. That's what leverage does, because it's okay in a house because house prices aren't very volatile. So occasionally, once in a generation, you get a 2008 thing where the house prices start moving a lot and suddenly the people's equity in their house wasn't enough and everybody gets liquidated, i.e. the bank says, we want our money back. That's okay to take that risk if you're cautious in housing. In crypto, this thing moves around like this. Its predictability in the short term is extremely low, unlike housing predictability. So just don't borrow money to do this. If I can get that across, then you don't care if it falls to 26,000 or 10,000, because you can buy more units at the lower price over time and you don't care. And then when it's trading at 500,000, you'll have become extremely wealthy. It's as simple as that. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't think about derivatives, futures, options, none of it. Just stick with this simple plan. Don't use leverage, dollar cost average. Think about it as a 5 to 10 year investment, and your probability of success is going to be extremely high.